Hello student, I am your computer and GK teacher of LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazaar. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay? And take caring of yourself with Corona and staying at home. So okay, in previous videos we have already learned about the topic first, second, third, 4 and 5. Okay, in first topic we have learned about the distinct animals, and in second that is birds crosswords. In third topic I teach you the world of reptile, and in fourth topic I teach you all about honeybees. Related to honeybees we have learned something there, and fifth one that is special body parts. Some animals are there and we learn about that particular animals special body parts. Today I am going to teach you about the world of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were prehistoric reptiles. That lived on earth about 228 million years ago. Dinosaurs were prehistoric reptiles which are dead, so that they are lived on the earth, so at least how much period time is later? At least 228 million years ago. There were different types of dinosaurs. At that time, there are many varieties of dinosaurs are there. On of them only we will learn about some. Today I am going to explain you at least about 6 types of dinosaurs. Okay? So see here, first one that is Allosaurus dinosaurs. First one is Allosaurus dinosaurs. Allosaurus dinosaurs is a genus of large carnivorous. Allosaurus dinosaurs is a genus of large carnivorous theropods dinosaurs. Large carnivorous theropod dinosaurs that lived at least 155 to 145 million years ago. They are lived at least 155 to 145 million years ago during the late Jurassic epoch. At Jurassic epoch time they lived. The name Allosaurus means different lizards. The name Allosaurus means different lizards. Okay, now come to second. That is second. See here, second is Tyrannosaurus. Second one is Tyrannosaurus dinosaur. The spelling is Tyrannosaurus. That is Tyrannosaurus dinosaur. Tyrannosaurus dinosaur is a genus of Coelurosaurian theropod. They are a genus of Coelurosaurian theropod dinosaur. It lived throughout what is now Western North America. At present time it is Western North America. Dinosaurs are lived in Western North America. And third here, see here, third is Brachiosaurus dinosaur. Brachiosaurus dinosaur. Spelling Brachiosaurus. I will repeat again. Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus dinosaur. Brachiosaurus is a genus of sauropod dinosaur. It is a genus of sauropod dinosaur that lived in, see here, Brachiosaurus dinosaur is also lived in North America. They also lived in North America during the late Jurassic, about 154 to 153 million years ago. They also lived in North America during the late Jurassic, about what period? About 154 to 153 million years ago. How many years ago? 154 to 153 million years ago. Now see here, come here, that one fourth one, that is what? Iguanodon dinosaurus. Iguanodon dinosaurus. Spelling is IGUANODON. I repeat, IGUANODON. Iguanodon dinosaurus. Iguanodon dinosaurus was a large ornithopod. It's a large ornithopod that lived during the early Cretaceous period. This type of dinosaurs are lived during the early Cretaceous period. The name of that particular means was what? Bird feet. The name means bird feet, after their three-toed feet. They having their three-toed feet. Okay, so their name means bird feet. It was capable of standing and walking on either two legs. It was capable on standing on, see here, it was what here? It was capable of standing and walking on either two legs or four. It means this type of dinosaurs can be able to walk with their two legs also or with four legs also. Its long hind legs had three toes and hoof-like nails. They have their long hind legs. Okay, it has three toes and hoof-like nails. You see your horse feet also known as the hoofs, same as it is, just it look like that. Okay, while the three middle fingers on its hand, and they having their hands too, in that they have only three fingers. In their legs they having three toes, and in their hand they having three middle fingers. It means they having three fingers in hand and three toes in their legs. Okay, now come to the next, that is Diplodocus dinosaur. Diplodocus dinosaur, spelling DIPLODOCUS. I repeat, DIPLODOCUS. Diplodocus dinosaurus. Diplodocus is a genus of diplodocide sauropod dinosaur. Diplodocus is a genus of diplodocide sauropod dinosaurs, whose fossil was first discovered in 1877 and discovered by whom? It's discovered by S.W. Wilson. It's discovered by S.W. Wilson. Diplodocus dinosaurus was an herbivorous animal. Diplodocus dinosaurus was an herbivore dinosaurus. It means it ate only plants. It swallowed leaves whole without chewing them. This type of dinosaurs ate only plants, and they, without chewing the leaves, they swallowed it. Without chewing the leaves, they swallowed it. Okay. Now come to the next, that last one, that is 6. It is here Stegosaurus dinosaur. Stegosaurus dinosaur. Spelling is Stegosaurus. I repeat again, Stegosaurus. That is Stegosaurus dinosaur. See here, Stegosaurus dinosaur It's get the name from a Greek word that is stegos. A Greek word stegos. From stegos, the name was kept as a Stegosaurus dinosaur, which means the stegos means roof. The stegos means roof. Stegos. The stegos means roof. ROOF roof. And the saurus means lizard. And the saurus means lizard. So by dividing we have the Greek meanings, Greek word meanings, words which means the stegos means roof and the saurus means lizard. So this Stegosaurus dinosaurs is a genus of herbivorous. Stegosaurus dinosaur is a genus of herbivorous thyreophauran dinosaur. It is a genus of herbivorous thyreophauran dinosaurs. It had 3 growth stages. See, your Stegosaurus dinosaurs have 3 growth stages. First one is subadult stage. And second one is adult stage 1. Adult stage first, that is also known as young adult. And the last one, that third one is adult stage second. This is also known as the old stage. I repeat, Stegosaurus dinosaurs have 3 growth stages. First is adult stage, second is adult stage 1, that is known as young adult, and third one is adult stage second, that is known as the old stage, old adult. So now third point, its egg hatched around 3 kg, and in adulthood the dinosaurs could have weighed up to 5 tons. When a Stegosaurus give an egg, the weight of that egg is 3 kg. Its egg hatched around 3 kgs, but when it come to their adulthood, it's weighed up to 5 tons. See here, when it born, it up to 3 kgs, but when it come to an adult, it weighed up to 5 tons. It is of 5 tons. So by this, I explained you at least 6 types of dinosaurs. First is Allosaurus dinosaurs, second is Tyrannosaurus dinosaurs, third is Brachiosaurus dinosaurs, fourth is Iguanodon dinosaurus, fifth is Diplodocus dinosaurus, and sixth is Stegosaurus dinosaurus. Okay, which that first one, Allosaurus dinosaurus is a carnivorous. Tyrannosaurus dinosaurs is found in western North America, and it is a Coelurosaurian theropod dinosaurus. And third, Brachiosaurus dinosaurs is what? It is also lived in North America, and it's a fourth one, Iguanodon dinosaurus was also found in the Cretaceous period, which means bird feet, and it also capable to stand and walking either 2 legs or 4 legs. It has 3 toes in his leg and 3 middle finger in his hand. In Diplodocus dinosaurus, it is discovered by S.W. Wilson in 1877. In 1877,